In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Atlassian Confluence. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up tables within your Confluence pages, making your documentation more organized and visually appealing. First things first, you'll need to access your Confluence account. Make sure you are logged in and have navigated to the homepage where you'll find your list of spaces and pages. Now locate the specific Confluence page you wish to edit. Once you've selected it, you'll notice an edit icon, usually represented by a pencil. Click on this icon to open the Confluence editor, which is where all the magic happens. With the page in edit mode, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. Here, you'll find a table icon which resembles a small grid. Click on it to insert a table at the position where your cursor is currently located on the page. If you don't see the table appear right away, make sure your cursor wasn't inadvertently positioned within a block of text or another element. Once your table appears, it's time to start adding content. Simply click into each of the cells and begin typing. You have complete freedom to customize the content within each cell to suit your needs. After inputting your initial data, you might find that you need to modify the table. When you select the table, notice a toolbar that appears right below it. This is your control panel for table modifications. The toolbar allows you to efficiently add or remove rows and columns. Furthermore, if your table requires a different structure, such as adding a header column or a numbered column, or even removing the header row, these options are all accessible right in this toolbar. If you need to add more cells to your table, it's quite straightforward. When your cursor is inside a cell, you will observe a plus sign on the top, bottom, and sides of the table. Clicking these plus signs will allow you to insert additional rows or columns wherever necessary without disrupting your existing content. In instances where you want to delete specific rows or columns, just select the cell that aligns with where you'd like to make changes. From there, click on the down arrow or the cross icon that appears along the cell's edge and choose the option to delete the row or column. Finally, let's add a splash of color for visual organization. Changing the cell background color can give your table a more professional and organized look. To do this, place your cursor in the cell you want to change, click the down arrow again, and find options to set a background color for better emphasis or readability. And there you have it. You've learned how to create and customize tables in Confluence. With these steps, you'll be able to enhance your Confluence pages, making information easily digestible and beautifully structured. Happy documenting!